Good morning, everyone. I was planning to go a helicopter trip, but unfortunately, weather is really bad. That's why, unfortunately, I cannot make it. I decided to go and visit the Christ. I'm a little bit late for that as well. I wanted to be with the first short tram to go up there, but I'm a little bit late. Plan has changed, but no choice. Let's move on and try to enjoy the day more. Have a quick stop for coffee in this local cafeteria. Nice coffee. We move on. Just arrived this train station to take a ticket that costs like 128 real. This is the train station. Sorry, guys. I missed the first tram in, I think, with 1 minute, but it's okay. 10 minutes later, there's another one, so waiting for that. Thank you. Right, so entering the train. No, on the I have been suggested to sit on the right side of the train. They say the view is better in National Park. We will see. You have to take some stairs up to Jesus after tram station. And then there's a short escalator. You can see how many people behind me. It is a very touristy place, but it's definitely worth to come to visit it. You will enjoy the view of the city. Fantastic. Let's turn this way. The view is fantastic. Definitely come and check it out here. Alright, this is enough. So time to go. One last look. Crazy busy, yeah? So touristy. Sorry. Possible to go out here. Sorry. They're so happy. Oh my God, it was so difficult to get out. Let's see. Yeah. Go this way. Yeah. It's so challenging to go out here. Finally, I could manage to escape from people. Time to go. Weather get better. Now maybe I will try to catch the helicopter. Let's see. Alright. After 1 hour drive from center of the Rio, arrived to this helicopter spot. So I'm at the helicopter office. Let's see I don't know. I just I just Google it and I find this page. I cannot give you any kind of like at the moment, but this is the company. Is Rio 2 company. I can just show you, and you can see their helicopter as well. Look like a small helicopter, but I guess it will do the job. You can see there. So they offer some coffee and water before the flight. This helicopter station, let's say, or their airport or their takeoff place is a little bit far from city center. Take around 45 minutes today. Yesterday also I tried to come here. It took more than 1 hour. Because of the rain, it's canceled. So I came today again. Weather is fantastic today. You can see. They have a nice office here. Good weather for flight. Hopefully we will have a nice flight. All right, time to fly. Let the adventure begin. Wow, front seat. Lucky day today. Now, takeoff time. Captain look like in control. Very smooth takeoff. Here is quite far from city center of the Rio de Janeiro. Kind of a small town out of the Rio. It's also Rio de Janeiro here, but kind of different district. It was a little bit windy. Here we have a small shakes, not so much, but view is stunning. Here you can see the city has really good planning here. Yeah, now we are over a beach here, so I don't know what's the name of this beach, I forget, but it was quite empty. Yeah, when we come over the ocean, it was a little bit shaky, but it was okay. Captain was in control. Here, there's a stunning view. I think those mountain in front of us was Two Brother Mountain. I don't know. I think it should be that. Captain was giving me some information here, but I didn't really understand what he was saying. I pretend that I understand. When we turn corner of this mountain, there should be Ipanema Beach. Here you can see in the left side, it's kind of favela. And now here is the Ipanema Beach, just in front of us. I spend most of my time in that beach actually. It's a really amazing place. And watching this beach from above, it's great. Yeah, we went over ocean here. You can see the small islands around. Sometimes they do boat trip to those islands as well. You can check it out when you're in Rio. Here in the left side, you see it a little bit. It is Copacabana Beach. Here you can see just in front of me Copacabana Beach, and just down at the end of the beach you can see kind of a viewpoint. So I've been there in my previous videos, you can check it out as well. So now we are flying directly to the Copacabana Beach direction, and on the right hand side you can Sugarloaf Mountain as well in the right hand side now. Here we are just over the city, just behind the Copacabana Beach, and also between, in middle of the city there's a big lake as well. You can see just in front of us. You can make a bike ride around this lake. You can make a circle. It's a really nice place.
And now you can see just front of me Christ the Redeemer. We are going toward that direction. It is really impressive view. I mean, this is the best things you will do in Rio, really. You will never regret to do this. Definitely just do it. Look at the view, look at the Christ. Oh my God, it's fantastic view. Here was quite shaky. I don't know, the winds coming from mountains, maybe, I don't know, it was not like stable wind. That's why we were shaking a lot. And this helicopter, extremely small helicopter, maybe that's why. Yeah, this is the view, look at this. To see the Christ from above, one of the world wonder, let's say. I think it was my fourth one, and seeing from sky is magical. Yeah, we make a 2 circle around the Christ, and after that we start to fly back. We are flying over the kind of a national park here. Also the place where is the Christ the Redeemer is kind of a national park. You can also walk up there. So now we are going back here. I think we are using kind of a shortcut over mountains directly to this helicopter station. In a few seconds, even now you can see below, just below me, there was the biggest favela, favela Rochina it's called. So we just passed by, but now you can see in the left side, just below the mountain, you can see there. And now we are going direction of where we took off. So this view is amazing. Overall flight time, it took like 35 minutes. It was incredible 35 minutes basically. So now landing. Very smooth.
Wow, it was just fantastic experience, really. This helicopter was super impressive. You know, the view from the sky in Rio is like magical, really. You see everywhere. You see all the favelas, you know, all the beach, Sugarloaf Mountain, the Christ, you know. The best way to enjoy the Rio. Definitely when you come to Rio de Janeiro, try this helicopter experience. You will not regret. It was like one of the best things I have ever done. First time I try helicopter. This is one of the reasons also I'm so excited. But the experience overall was really great. It was a little bit shaky because I think it was like a small helicopter. That's why a little bit shaky. But really the view was impressive and the pilot was quite in control. I never feel any danger. Here you can see people are coming and going. As I say, the company I picked, Rio to fly, I have no any connection with them. I just Google it and just find it. The price was reasonable as well, around under $35 US dollar I pay in cash. I think if you pay by card, a little bit more expensive, of course. But overall, it's like reasonable price for this amazing experience. Definitely check it out. Quite windy now here. Maybe you don't hear me well. I'm sorry for that, but yeah. So the experience was really magical. What else I can say? I think this is one of the best things you will ever do in Rio. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please, if you enjoyed, like the video. If you have any questions, write down in the comment section. I will be happy to respond to your questions. Thank you so much again for watching. See you in next video.